Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. And today we are looking at the analysis on Euro GBP. And as usual, we first talk about fundamentals before we move right to technicals, which is purely what will be seen on the chart. Now we can see that our Euro GBP rose to a high around 0.8740, its highest level since May. And the German CPI from October came in lower than expected at 3.8%. And Q3 GBP preliminary estimates beat expectations, while all eyes are on Thursday's Bank of England meeting. No rate hikes are priced in. Now, at the beginning of the week, we have the Euro GBP cross-gathered momentum and jumped to its highest level since early May, near 0.8740. On the one hand, which seems that Euro is getting traction from the report of better than expected gross domestic product, while some soft inflation figures from around October has failed to trigger the reaction on the other hand, while investors await the Bank of England's decision on Thursday. Now, Germany has reported that the consumer price index CPI for October has been declined to 3.8%. which was lower than the 4% expected and the last figure of 4.5%. And in addition to this, the gross domestic product preliminary estimates from Q3 saw the German economy contracting at an annualized rate of 0.3%, while the market expected a 0.7% contraction. Now, it is worth noticing that our European Central Bank, ECB, and Christine Lagarde have highlighted the economic challenges the Eurozone is going to face. So the Euro may get further traction in economic reports, coming better than expected. Now, regarding this following ECB decisions, the bank has not hinted at any hikes, and Lagarde pointed out that rates will be kept at restricted levels as long as necessary to combat inflation. Now, on the GBP side, markets are discounting that the Bank of England will hold rates steady at 5.25% in Thursday's decision, while in addition, the Monetary Policy Committee MPC vote split and Andrew Bailey's words will be closely looked by investors in order to continue placing their bets for the next meeting. Furthermore, the bank will release fresh macroeconomic forecasts, which will also be important as the British economy has faced some challenges, and the bank's outlook may further impact the Great British Pounds. Now, key levels to watch on the technical form. We are seeing that upon observing the daily chart, moving to our daily chart, we see that the outlook remains neutral, and the bullish, as the bulls have been starting to gain momentum, but they still need to conquer more ground to confirm a recovery from the short term. Now, the relative strength in index RSI demonstrates a favorable upward trend above its midline, and on the other hand, the pair is above 20, 100, and 200 daily simple moving average, which is pointing towards the prevailing strength of the bulls in the larger context. Now, with all that said and done, we are expecting a move out from the zone and probably head into a new zone at 0.87714, which from that point is about 48 to 50 pips from that point, of course. Good morning. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, Euro GBP. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hi, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we're having a look at Australia, Netherlands stock index, AEX 25, Amsterdam. Now, first we'll be looking at fundamentals, following all the news events surrounding this all-important stock index. Now, following the EU Parliament, which has passed a bill hiking renewable energy targets, it was seen as about October that the EU Parliament passed a very all-important hiking renewable energy target bill, which of course has been signaling some important move in various important European stock markets, like the AEX, which is one of them, and also the dollar index, and also the Japanese index. And it had been said that a breakout of some important support zone means evaluation of a total retracement to a new zone at 710 to 705 and to the 700s even. So if we were to check how much pips this is, it's seen that it's strongly balancing on a very important support zone, and this could mean a breakout of this zone soon to get to the 700 threshold, which is about 95 to 100 pips, of course, from that point, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock index, Amsterdam 25. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.